Sailing is not just a hobby, it's a physical lifestyle. From hauling lines, lifting anchors, and balancing on a rolling deck or climbing the mast, your body is your most important piece of gear. So whether you're getting ready for your first big voyage or trying to stay strong between sails, this video is for you guys. Let's break it down, how to get fit and stay fit for sailing. No gym required. First, what are we training for? Sailing uses your whole body. You need core strength to stay stable on a moving boat, leg endurance for standing, bracing, and climbing, upper body strength for grinding winches, pulling lines, and lifting sails, and balance and flexibility, because the deck is always shifting and moving. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a bodybuilder, you just need to be boat strong. If you're starting from scratch, don't worry. You can build a sailing ready body with just your own weight. Add a little consistency and you're good. Even 10 minutes a day can change everything. No gear, no gym, just your body and some grit. Now, how do you stay fit while living aboard? Space is tight, time is weird, but it's possible. Here are 3 tips. Make movement part of your routine. Do squats while you wait for your coffee. Plank in the cockpit. Stretch before bed. Use what the boat gives you. Rig a TRX band from the boom. Lift your water jugs. Do dips on the lifelines. Make anchoring, paddleboarding, swimming, and even scrubbing the hull part of your fitness plan. It all counts. Recovery matters too, especially on a boat. Stretch daily, hydrate like it's your job, and don't skip rest days. Strong is good, but durable, that's what keeps you sailing for long term. Getting fit for sailing isn't about looking a certain way. It's about feeling capable, confident, and ready to handle anything on the water. So whether you are at home, docked, or anchored somewhere dreamy, do something today that makes tomorrow's sail smoother. And if this video helped at all, give it a like and a subscribe for more boat life tips. Fair winds and strong legs, peace. Watch this video right here. I think it will be very helpful to you guys. It's a video all about DIY boat projects that you can do at home or on a boat.